Day before Christmas Eve. I got my Christmas gifts are here early, so check it out. A little bit of Proline action, some Harts, Turbo Smart, some aluminum pipe, and a transmission from Mark Mickey. M&M transmissions, new converter. Let's open this thing up and see what we have here. This will be kind of fun. So we got the converter. That's cool. Can't wait to see what that bad boy looks like. Like Christmas. Christmas with a lot of work attached to it. So here we go. Let's see what's in here. I've never had a lockup converter. This will be the first one. Pretty excited about this. I'm just really excited about getting back to turbos here. I think I'm gonna like it. Let's see what's in here. Box number 1. Oh yeah. Check out this bad. Huh? How about that? Look at that. Hell to the yeah. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Box number 2. See what's in here. Alright. Right there. M&M transmission. Some additional parts like that. And here we go. Check this thing out. New in the package. I like it. U.S. Street Nationals, we're coming, baby. We're coming. Hopefully it all works out the way we need it to. And soon to be more coming to you right at you. I'm guessing that's some pistons for the spare motor. So we're going to be working on it till it's done. We're going to be making some firing it up pretty soon. So we'll see what happens. So here we are, a day after Christmas. Didn't do anything yesterday. Spent time with the family. Got lots to do. Gonna be banging away today, and just give an idea. Like I said, the turbos showed up. Converters here. That's badass. And it's cold in here. It's 45 degrees today, so I'm gonna try to get some of this stuff on here. And that's the goal today. Get a bunch of this done. You know, it seems like we have a bunch of time, but for me, I lose, a week's worth of driving to get back to Florida. So I got to put the throttle down, hammer this stuff out, get it done, and we'll be moving on from there. So here we go. See what happens today. Well, here we are. I believe it's Friday. Been banging away all day on this thing since early this morning. It's almost 9 o'clock at night. Just, man, it's a lot of work. Gonna show you what's going on here. We've got pretty much all the intake pipes and stuff are done, and all the cold air pipes and everything I had to do. That stuff's done. It's starting to look pretty well complete here. Still have a bunch of stuff to do. Wiring. Got to get that transmission in, the M&M transmission, and that'll be that. Put the real turbos on. They're sitting over there. And yeah, a lot of welding, a lot of fabrication. I'm not the best in the world, but it's gonna work. Don't have time to get it to the guys that do this every day. It's just the way it works for now, and it'll be all right. So I'm excited to run this thing, get it going, get it running. Like I said, I just got to keep pounding away, and before you know it, 3 weeks from today, I'll be driving to Florida, and so tick-tock goes the clock, and just got to keep pounding away. Here we go. Well, here we go. Sunday night. It's been another long day. Kind of show you around, and I got quite a bit of stuff cleaned up. Been doing that here a little bit, and we're getting pretty close. As you can see, everything's on there. Have a little bit of wiring to do. New Harts turbos. Oh yeah, gonna make some power. That's for sure. Got a couple little Frankenstein things going on where we had to block off the old waste gates, but that's just gonna have to do for now. Still got the lockup trans down in there. Got to get the bell housing. Hopefully that shows up soon. And yeah, everything's hooked up. I did all the welding and everything on the headers and the rest of the pipes, the cold pipes and everything. Like I said, I'm not a real pro at it, but I did all right. Nothing like what Craig and those guys do over there at Dynamic Headers and everything. So anyway, it's starting to look like a race car. I've got a list going. It's kind of a short list. I still have to go and rebuild this engine, even though it's fresh, ready to go. But we have to change the pistons and the camshaft and stuff like that. So yeah, just like I said, it's been a long day. Now my not favorite thing to do is wiring. That's coming up shortly. That's probably next. Once I get the trans and stuff in there, and then we have all the programming and stuff to do too. So a little help from Fuel Tech, and we'll get that going on. We got our Turbo Smart E-Gate. That's down there. Yeah, we're rocking and rolling. Stay tuned. Be making more videos and getting it going.